Hello, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. This is Decorate My Space. The host is the Grace Life DIY, myself, Sasu Glam Style, Annalise Cupboard, Mabel's Tables, Decorate with us, Lotta's Bailey, Pretty DIY, Javel, Design with Emma, the Area Lifestyle, Buffalo Check Chick, the Virtuous Woman.
All mantle. Start out with a stack of the velvety pumpkins in cream, turquoise, and orange. And then here's a little arrangement I made with the Dollar General vase that was actually on clearance a while back that I thought was really cute and in my favorite turquoise color. These are just some sunflowers and some little pumpkins. And this is a garland of hydrangeas, berries, and we got some DIY acorns. And then we got this little guy. I don't know, I call him the pumpkin man. I don't know what he's supposed to be, but he's pretty cute. He's half scarecrow, I guess, and half pumpkin. And then this is a painting that I made. I hand painted that. And it has a black and white buffalo check center of the sunflower and turquoise and the sunflower. And this is an autumn sign. I found it after fall somewhere last year. And then that's more of the garland. Another acorn, DIY acorn that I did. And these are DIY apples that me and my husband made. And actually you can find these on our Etsy shop. We sell these in Etsy. These are one of our products that we sell on Etsy. And it's on my mantle right now, and I think they're pretty cute. We sell both orange pumpkins, a set of 3 orange pumpkins, and a set of 3 apples. Your choice which one you like, the apples or the pumpkins. But this is our mantle. I love the hydrangeas and all the fall colors. The fall is my favorite.